Hello friends, today we will learn how to edit photos in Canva using a phone. So first, go to the Play Store on your phone and download Canva from here. Once the Canva app is installed, open the Canva app on your phone. After opening it, click on the plus icon below and click on upload. And from here, whichever photo you want to edit, add that photo and click on edit image below. And start editing from here. Like I do a little script from the bottom and from the top as well, and I use this smart crop. Now you can keep editing from the bottom. Let me try applying an effect. Now keep editing as you see fit, using filters and such. After the edit is done, click on the download option below and download your image from here.